You ready to do some headlights? Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to restore headlights with this Mother's new lens. I've never used this kit. I've used another kit. I think it's Meguiar's heavy duty kit. But this is almost the same thing, but the only thing that's... What'd you do? By the way, yeah, I've never used this kit. I've used another one, but the only problem with this kit is it didn't come with any sandpaper, which that's fine. I do recommend sandpaper for headlights this bad. So you're going to want to go with the fine sandpaper with like 1,000 2000 grit. And you're going to get like a water bottle and you're just going to spray down the lens. And we're going to show you guys how to do it. And this is to dry. So we're going to wet sand these with this water bottle. Going to wipe them down so when they dry, we're going to use the buffer. And it comes with a little buffing pad in this kit.
I knew they were in here. I knew it. I told you they were in here alone. What are you doing with my daughter? She is only 12 years old.
Wait, what? And yes, I knew she was gonna be barging in on us like that. They already came through once, so that was our idea to do that. So yes, but on a serious note, we're gonna start these headlights. Very simple process. So it just takes a little bit of time consuming, but I haven't done this in a while, so hopefully it turns out alright. If not, this is going to be a waste of a video. I mean, I uploaded it, but you know, I did it before with my old headlights. It's in my car now, so this should go pretty smooth. Alright, so I stand corrected. It does come with sandpaper. It did not say it at all on the box. I don't know why. Literally, the directions say it just shows you smearing the polisher on the headlights with this pad. So you do need a drill with this particular kit. So you're going to do... You're going to put this in the drill. I'm going to put it in the drill first. And bam. So now, Velcro. Just going to Velcro that to the center. So, bam. There we go. Alright guys, so it comes with 800 too. I did not see that at first. So, yeah, these are very easy to take out, by the way, if you have a Mustang. We'll show you installing these, switching them out. So, it's very simple. But for now, we're just going to be cleaning them up. Right now, first you want to soak this headlight. You'll make sure the headlight is completely soaked. Because if you do this too dry, it can permanently damage the headlights, and you know you don't want to do that. You want to actually make them look almost new. You're going to get the sandpaper wet, and you're just going to be doing a motion like this. And you want to keep spraying it every once in a while. And as you're doing this, you will see oxidation. There's oxidation on this. I don't know if you can see it. It's dirt. It looks like dirt. So get like really like, it looks creamy-ish. I forgot the saying for it, but this basically just gets rid of the oxidization. So we're going to be doing this until we get it all done. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see that coming off. That's all the oxidization. So you basically want to keep doing this until you don't get any more oxidization. Alright guys, after a little bit of 800 grit sanding, you can't even see through these now. And that's what it's going to look like. And it's still somewhat smooth, so that's good. You don't want it to be like super deep scratches. So right now we're going to go down a level, go a little bit finer on the sandpaper. We're going to do the same process basically. So right now we're doing 1500 grit, which is the next level on the finer sandpaper. So basically same thing. You're going to get it wet again. Get it nice and wet. Then we're going to go ahead and spray the sandpaper, and we're going to do the same process. Alright guys, that was for the 1500 grit. I'm going to go ahead and dry it off and get this muck off here. And you guys may not notice it, but it already looks a lot better than the way it originally looked. Yes, it looks hazy right now because it's been sanded, of course, but that's just getting all the old crap off. Let me show you guys the old headlight. So far, here's the old headlight, which is still hazy, but you can still see the oxidization. So the difference is this is still hazy, but the oxidization is off of this one almost. We're going to go through all the sanding steps just to make sure it's done right. So I'm going to go up to what's next. We got 3000 grit. So next is 3000 grit sandpaper, which comes in the kit. So it's real fine. So go ahead and go over that again. So as you can tell, right now it's wet, so it's gonna look shiny and new. But this is what it looks like so far. This is what it will look somewhat like this once it's buffed. It will probably look a little bit better. Yeah, guys, you can see how much clearer it is compared to the other one. So, but see, once I dry it off, it will start to get hazy again because, of course, it was sanded. And I tried sanding this line out. You can see a line, but the hood will cover that. I don't think there's much I can do with that. I tried getting rid of that. Same with my other set of headlights when I restored them. That line might be permanent. This isn't a perfect solution. This is the closest you'll get to brand new looking headlights. But you guys will see once it's done. It will look good. So this is probably the best option of cleaning. Well, instead of getting new headlights, this is the best option for you guys. But go ahead and get the buffer ready. Okay, guys, so you can pretty much already tell the difference. That's all brown, yucky, oxidation. There we go, oxidation. So that's all brown oxidation. Yes, that looks hazy still, just because it was sanded down. Your headlights will look like that once you wet sand them. But that's what the buffing is for, and that's what the drill's for. Okay, so the pad they gave us with this kit is a little bit different than the one I used last time. But so is the bottle. This is a whole different brand. But Mothers, they really surprised me with the ceramic coat, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. So I think you have to shake it. Does it say shake it? Yeah, it says shake well, which doesn't feel like it wants to shake. It's really thick. Yeah, it's really thick. So it really doesn't feel like it wants to shake, but I'm going to shake it anyways. Alright guys, so plastic is off. Go ahead and screw your cap back on. So put small dabs on the applicator, nothing too big. Like I'm going to do 3 dabs. So I did with my old headlights. I went like this. Just dabbed it on there, smeared it on the headlight. Alrighty guys, so go ahead and start the buffing. And this is the end result. It is not perfect. These were really bad. These are the worst set of headlights I've restored. Other ones were slightly oxidized, but you know, I made them look almost brand new. These were a little bit more challenging. I had to do a little bit more sanding. This headlight particularly took an hour, but I was just trying to get as close to perfect as I could. But like up here, you can see a little bit I could not get off. Some of it I guess is inside the lens. The only way to really get it all perfect is to bake this and take the actual lens off and separate it from the housing. But to actually see at night compared to that, and it looked, and like honestly, you wouldn't even notice half the blemishes on this headlight unless you were actually looking for it. And in pictures, it looks pretty good. Here is exactly what it used to look like. You can't even hardly see through it. It's all yellow and oxidized. So that's a huge, huge difference. It is 1 day later. And yes, her headlights are fine. You probably wonder, you probably actually thought I pulled these from her car. No, these were in her trunk. There's like another set in her trunk too that looks just like that. I don't know why they gave you so many headlights with this car. Why would they even have those headlights? Evan didn't have those headlights, he said. He said he only had the smoked ones.
Probably bought them.
I guess the dude bought them, but how did they get so bad in that short amount of time? Unless Virginia actually passed inspection with those, which I don't see how. Yeah, go ahead and install these. If you guys do not know how to do the headlights on a Mustang, if that's what you're watching this video for and you're still trying to figure that out, I'm about to show you how. And she's going to be my camera woman. Well, she's going to pop the trunk, yeah. That's a trunk, guys, apparently. It's a frunk.
Tesla it is.
Yeah, with the Tesla Lamborghini, it's a frunk. We can put the engine in the back real quick. So here's how you take the headlights out. It's very simple. 1, 2. Then 2 little tabs, you just take them out and bam, pull it out. Easy. And all you have to do is disconnect your headlights. You don't have to take the whole bulb out. You can just pull that wire. That one should be the same. I think the tabs are broken on all of them the same way with mine. So that's how easy it is, guys. The headlights come out that easy. Very easy, actually.
Basically the only thing I know how to take out of my car.
Yeah, she's still learning, guys. Don't judge her. She's still new. I'm trying to teach her. That one might still have the tabs on it, doesn't it?
I'm not. I don't feel anything.
Here, hold on. This one, the tabs aren't broken. A lot of these have the tabs broken on them, so yours may have that or may not. But if not, you just grab it like that and break it. I did not mean to break that, but see what I mean? These things are, it's like almost 20 years old, but it's no big deal. A lot of them's broken like that, so I'm sorry. But yeah, see, this is supposed to have tabs on it to hold them in, but old car, very old, so. Yeah, these are the smoked headlights, nothing wrong with these, but. And, I'm not even gonna hook these up. We're just gonna put them in here to show the before and after. Okay, so here's the side that I did not do yet. As you can tell, you can hardly even see through it. And here's the side that has been restored, and that, yes, that did look just like that, if not worse. And you can actually see through it. And it's not perfect, of course. These headlights were pretty bad, but for mild headlights that have oxidization on it, so it's not too bad like these, it will be easier. This one took me some time. This one headlight just took me an hour to do. Doesn't seem like it on video, but there's times where I turn off the camera because I don't want to, you know, kill the battery. But yeah, that's the before and after. Alrighty guys, this is going to do it for the end of this video. This is a few days later. Forgot to film the outro, of course. Things got hectic. Things got really busy. So yeah, sorry that it's not the proper outro. By the car, by the headlights. The headlights are still at my girlfriend's house, but yeah, the headlight turned out pretty good. And I do recommend putting some kind of UV protectant on it. I think there's something you can get. It's called Plastex at AutoZone, anything to protect your headlights. Even some ceramic coat, like Mother's ceramic coat that I've used before, CMX, that will help protect it, and it will also help keep it cleaner and easier to clean, because you know it's super hydrophobic and nothing really sticks to ceramic. So I do recommend using ceramic coat for it. It's only like, what, $24 at AutoZone and like $19 online. I don't know why, that's weird. That's weird that they price it different at AutoZone. But either way, leave a like if this product helps you out, and if this video helped you out, also leave a comment. Also subscribe for more content like this. Comment what you guys want to see next. I will review any product from like AutoZone or Chemical Guys or any type of cleaning products. But yeah guys, like I said, leave a like and see you guys later.